Barrel House offers premium barrel cookers designed to make smoking meat easier and faster than traditional smokers. By design, barrels are sealed, and for barbecue, that's a good thing. They trap heat, flavor, and moisture without the complications of a water pan. Barrel House goes a step further and takes all the guesswork out of temperature control. There's a simple, elevation-based intake setting and preset exhaust holes. Set it once and there is no babysitting of the temperature or the food, meaning great results every time, no matter the skill level. Barrel House is a versatile cooker that hangs meat to maximize capacity. It hangs up to 8 racks of ribs, 4 whole chickens, or a couple turkeys. When hanging, there is no need to flip, turn, or worry about the food. It cooks evenly top to bottom with hot air circulating all around. During the cook, drippings vaporize, infusing flavor and moisture instead of causing flare-ups. When the cooking time is up, simply remove the food and enjoy fantastic barbecue. With Barrel House, the charcoal basket is easily accessible because the barrel lives right off the base, making lighting simple and ash easy to dispose. The cooker uses up to 8 pounds of charcoal, which will burn for 6+ hours without refueling. That is long enough for most cooks because Barrel House operates in the hot and fast zone. You'll achieve competition-worthy results in 40% less time than traditional smoking methods. Barrel House also has versatile cooking options such as grilling at the top level or smoking food on grates at the middle level. The base can even be used as a hibachi grill, perfect for searing or grilling. Barrel cooking produces high-quality barbecue results, and the Barrel House cooker takes it to the next level by making it incredibly easy for the everyday person.